Saksalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
King Daksha said, "My dear Lord Shiva, I committed a great offence against you, but you are so kind that instead of withdrawing your mercy, you have done me a great favour by punishing me. You and Lord Vishnu never neglect even useless, unqualified Brahmins. Why, then, should you neglect me, who am engaged in performing sacrifices?" Although Daksha felt defeated, he knew that his punishment was simply the great mercy of Lord Shiva. He remembered that Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu are never neglectful of the Brahmins, even though the Brahmins are sometimes unqualified. According to Vedic civilization, a descendant of a Brahman family should never be heavily punished. This was exemplified in Arjuna's treatment of Ashvathama. Ashvathama was the son of a great Brahmana, Dronakarya, and in spite of his having committed the great offence of killing all the sleeping sons of the Pandavas, for which he was condemned even by Lord Krishna, Arjuna excused him by not killing him because he happened to be the son of a Brahman. The word Brahmbandhushu used here is significant. Brahmbandhu means a person who is born of a Brahman father, but whose activities are not up to the standard of the Brahmins. Such a person is not a Brahman, but a Brahmbandhu. Daksha proved himself to be a Brahmbandhu. He was born of a great Brahman father, Lord Brahma, but his treatment of Lord Shiva was not exactly Brahminical. Therefore he admitted that he was not a perfect Brahman. Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu, however, are affectionate even to an imperfect Brahman. Lord Shiva punished Daksha not as one does his enemy. Rather, he punished Daksha just to bring him to his senses, so that he would know that he had done wrong. Daksha could understand this, and he acknowledged the great mercy of Lord Krishna and Lord Shiva towards the fallen Brahmanas, including even himself. Although he was fallen, his vow was to execute the sacrifice, as is the duty of Brahmans, and thus he began his prayers to Lord Shiva.